Hey guys, so I totally forgot to record an intro for this video, so here it is, the introduction to my new apartment. Hope you enjoy. Peace. Alright, so I'm going to start you guys off with the garage. So this apartment does come with an attached garage to the unit. So this is what it's looking like. It's a pretty big size, and you can see it's way too big for my little two-door Honda, but it's a lot of space. And then what I also like about it is this little step-up thing, because I can like put extra storage on my little containers, whatever. Like I can just put stuff up here, or I guess if I start like doing like little workouts or whatever, I can do it up here on this little ledge or whatever. But yeah. Okay, so this is the way I would be coming in, like from the garage, obviously. So when you come in, there's this like entryway, hallway, and then as soon as you come into the right, here is the laundry room. So this apartment does come with a washer and dryer, which is pretty nice. And then we have shelving up there. And then you come on this way. And then this is the door to the hallway. And then you have my coat closet or whatever. And then you come this way, and this is supposed to be like a little dining room area, but I'm just gonna make it my little office. I'm gonna put like a desk right here. And I think I'm gonna do like one of those grass walls with the neon sign that everybody got, but I don't care. So that's what I plan on doing, because I don't sit at the dining room table. I don't eat at the dining room table, so I don't need it. And then this is the kitchen, which looks just like my old kitchen, because it's the same apartment complex. But yeah, this is the kitchen, the refrigerator. I have like the little lights up under the cabinets. And then the drawers and stuff are soft close. See, fancy, honey. So yeah, everything is soft close. And then I don't have in my last unit it did have a pantry, but I don't have a pantry, like a walk-in pantry in here. I just have this, which is fine, because honestly I don't have that much food anyway. So this is the pantry. And then you walk this way, and this is the living room. A nice size space. So yeah, one thing I like about this unit is that I have a lot more windows. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. I like a lot of natural light. So, and then also I have the little patio door. So it's a lot of natural light. I have everything closed right now, but you know, when it's in the middle of the daytime, there'll be a lot of natural light in here. And then this is my bedroom. I think it's about the same size as my other one. It looks the same size, I guess. So, in this apartment, it does come with internet and cable already included, so yeah. And then this is my closet. So the closet is smaller than the one I left. Like, I don't know, it's just like it's rearranged differently, because like in my old unit, instead of it being split up, it was like one long bar across this side, but I guess they had to split it up because the linen closet is right here. So, but it's still a nice size. I mean, I can work with it. So this is the closet, and then you come this way, and this is the bathroom. So yes, there is only one way to my bathroom, and you have to go through my bedroom to get to it, but it's alright, I don't have company over here that much anyway. So yeah, this is the bathroom. Everything looks the same except for I don't have the walk-in shower anymore, which I am gonna miss, but this is a really nice size bathtub or whatever, and I like that it has all the little shelves and everything like that. But yeah, everything is soft closed in here too. And then behind this door, And then behind this door is the linen closet. So, yep, that is the whole apartment. So, you guys let me know if you saw my temporary apartment, which one do you like better, my temporary apartment or this one? I will say that I do miss some things about my temporary apartment, like the walk-in shower. That's mainly the main thing I'm gonna miss, is that having that walk-in shower. But I do like having a garage now, and I like the extra space because this one is 200 square feet bigger than the other one. So yeah, but anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video if you care. And I'll see you next time. Bye.